Hello guys, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy learning on tutorial number 7 how to construct a 3D part in CATIA version 5. All the informations needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video. So let's get started. Click File, click New, Part, Tutorial 7, click OK, hide the planes, insert body, define the body, click on Sketch, select the plane. Here we're going to construct firstly the outside contour. So we're going to construct the circles. Have the first circle, and select constraint. We're gonna constrain the circle. This one has a radius of 22. Click OK. Now we're gonna click mirror, select it, select vertical, select the line. Just construct it wherever you want it. By holding Control, select the point of the line, select the circle, click this option, select coincidence, do the same on the opposite side, select exactly the point, exactly the circle, coincidence. Now, by holding Control, select the line, the circle, select constraint, tangency. The same on the opposite side. Click OK. Now we have another circle in the bottom. I'm gonna construct it. Select constraint. Select the circle. It's the same, radius of 22. Click OK. We're gonna do the same here, construct a line. We need to make it coincidence on both circles and afterwards tangent. So by holding Control, every time you guys hold Control and click two elements, they will be orange, so that means they are both selected. As you can see here, it's a better example. They are both orange, so they are both selected. Okay, now we're gonna select only the line. We're gonna click this option and we're gonna make a mirror. Now we're gonna delete what we don't need. So for example, double click the quick trim and delete the circles. Click escape on the keyboard to deselect the quick trim option. Now we need to constrain our design, because all these lines are white, so they are not constrained, they can move. So we need to block every movement. So we're gonna constrain firstly this point on the horizontal axis. This dimension is 50. Excuse me, it's 52. And from this point to this point, it's 102. Perfectly. Okay, so we did the outside contour of our design. We're gonna exit the workbench. I will construct the main body, insert body. We forgot to do that. Right click it. Properties. Go to this option, tutorial 07. Okay, perfect. We're gonna define it, define number 2. Construct a 3D for this phone. For example, 10 millimeters is fine. Right click this the body, define it, right click the body number 2, go to this option, click add, click OK, and we added this element to this body. We're gonna go by history until we reach the sketcher. We're gonna insert another body. We're gonna copy the same sketcher. We're gonna paste it here. Okay, we're gonna select it. We can hide this, we don't need to show it. Okay, perfect. Can delete everything as we don't need it. We just use the sketch as a guidance. We're gonna select circle, the middle of our axis. We're gonna constrain it with a diameter of 72. Perfect. We're gonna exit. We're gonna show the first tutorial. Okay, we're gonna select pad, we're gonna select the body, we're gonna put a dimension 45. Now we're gonna define tutorial 07. We're gonna add this body also there. Gonna click OK. This is our design. And now we need to construct the holes inside our design. So we're gonna insert another body. We're gonna copy the original sketcher, the first one, paste it in this body. But this time we will not delete the elements because we're gonna use them as guidance. So we're gonna click this option to hide the background, to not be able to click it. Now by holding Ctrl, select all the elements that we constructed and make them pointed. And now we need to construct the holes in our 3D part. So we're gonna construct the first hole, it is on the right side. We're gonna constrain it. It has a diameter of 22. Click OK. We mirror it. Perfect. Now we're gonna use the point of this circle that we constructed here because it's on the same distance. We're gonna constrain this one also, diameter of 22. And now we need to make the interior hole, the one in the middle. This one has a diameter of 42. Perfect. So now we have all the holes constructed. We're gonna exit the workbench. We're gonna click pad. We're gonna click the sketch. And we're gonna increase our design until it bypasses our increase the holes or the design of the holes until they bypass the design, the first original design that we constructed. Okay, perfect. Now define tutorial 07. Right click to this body, the holes, and remove. Click OK. And this is how we did this body, this construction, and the remove bodies also. Click update. We click isometric view to arrange it on a nice form. Actually, I don't really like this one. You can put it on different views, for example. We're gonna use it something like this. I think it's better like this. We're gonna click tutorial. We're gonna select a nice color. And this is our design for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching me. If you didn't understand something, just leave a comment. We see each other next time. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.